just gotta be careful. Yeah, you get knocked down by the vehicles passing through the street here. But I guess we're on their territory, so we can't really complain. I always like these, but I've never been successful at growing them. This is the main market. It's Saturday morning, and it starts, I think, at 7 a.m. But this is Queens. We're here. I think it's probably about 10 a.m. or something. The market tends to be very busy around this time of the year too, because everybody's getting all this stuff ready for winter. They do a lot of pickles and preserves and stuff like that. And what Bunny was telling me, these are the traditional socks here in they're handmade from sheep's wool. Oh, look at that! I'm seeing pumpkin. I feel like I'm home. But this is Jagodina. The town is called Jagodina. We've got pumpkin. I think a Caribbean boy, anyway, when he sees ingredients, and he's really nice. A lot of peppers. They got a huge love for peppers here, and tomatoes. So you'll see it everywhere. Oh, we even got a little doggy. Is he for sale too? Hey, dude. But it's a massive market, indoor and out, so from the outside back that way as well. Well, these lately have become my favorite grapes, man. What is this one? It's like a spinach? Oh, okay. I'm just loving the different variety and sizes of these pickling cucumbers, especially these tiny little guys. That's awesome. I've never seen these in Canada. I know we do have them in Canada, I've just never seen them. Cauliflower. Nobody likes you, man. Go hide. Reminds me just like home as well, too, man. A lot of bees from the sweetness. Oh, you're getting your toilet paper and everything here too. Look at that. Just sacks and sacks of everything. Why does it look like that?
This type of peppers with stripes?
Yeah. You gave that to me?
Yes.
Yeah. I remember when I had that last year. No, a couple of years ago. Oh, look at the size of these tomatoes. I've never seen a country more obsessed with peppers than Serbia. Wow. Some interesting stuff that I've never seen anywhere as well too. Hopefully I caught some of it on camera. When you're trying to do Instagram and YouTube at the same time, it tends to get a bit chaotic. Oh, look at that! You can even get your tools and stuff like that repaired here. And we've got a whole bunch of chickens and pigeons and rabbits. Look at these guys just chilling there. Oh, look at the little rabbits. There's She wants to take it home. Oh, and a little puppy. Hey, little dude. Looking for a home? Yeah, he's a little bit too noisy. You can get like quail eggs or something here too. All the Borican breakfast stuff is all on the inside here. Pizza, bread, the croissants. Croissants looks not buttered. You don't get that buttery glistening on the top. But it smells like fried peppers or grilled peppers as well. I'm giving all this video and a descriptive play-by-play of the scents as well. Imagine that. Look at all the candles. Let me check some in here. Wow. This is neat. This one you want to get your prayers on, you buy a candle. Hey, Tanti, you looking for tacos? These are all local honey. You can still see the honeycomb in there. The color is totally different depending on what the bees would have, what type of flowers they would have fed on during the season. Aqua's grandma made an interesting dish with this bean a couple nights ago, but I was too sick to eat, and it was slowly cooked in with salted meats. No, not salt. Yeah, salt. No, yeah, salted preserves. So it was kind of dried as well too. The meats. It's quite interesting. So many different shapes and sizes of peppers, man. One thing I did notice is that the garlic here is relatively small though, eh? Like tiny in size.
That's Serbia.
So there you go. Avoid the. Look at these little bombs. Fried green tomatoes and ham.
That's for pickling.
For pickling. Oh, okay. Green tomato pickle. I guess you could get your ice cold beer at the same time while you're doing your thing. A lot of cookies and snacks and this one is all the dried and smoked meats. Wow, this one looks good, eh?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. See, you like lean. I like a little bit of fatty in there. Jerky, man. Right next to the sweets. Got that sweet tooth going. Look at that cabbage, pickled cabbage.
Ja sam
Ali nema ovdje doma, ovdje nema oma. Oman je zasno.
godinama, ja izradim to. Da, godinama radim to.
Dobar je zasno, pa ne znam ja dok ne probam.
Whole bunch of different dried herbs.
A dobar je, svi kupuju.
The pickled cabbage has that strong fermented smell. It reminds me of when Tay and I were down in Korea and we were making kimchi. It's almost the same sort of smell. Yeah. And this section is all where the cheeses are. And they have them separate for hygienic reasons, I guess. And different temperatures and stuff like that. Some of the soft cheese that they have locally made.
This is kaymak. Homemade kaymak.
Okay.
I think we'll try it.
Yeah, yeah. Start off like that and look at the chicken legs. Those ones are going to be awesome with all that awesome fat just dropping on it. The guys on the, you can't see them there, but the guys on the top, they're all done. And then they end up in here to be sold.